Bullish smooth love mixture cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish smooth love mixture market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Smooth love mixture presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie endlessness gets everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Limitlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Endlessness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the meantime, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Limitlessness environment. Also, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Vastness? Axie Vastness support the play-to-acquire interactivity model wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie boundlessness from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the boundary dissection was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. This market hole impelled the grant and organization programs, factors influencing the cost of SLP. Axie boundlessness endured a big cheese when Sky Mavis declared that their Ronin scaffold had been hacked and about $625 worth of Ethereum and USDC had been taken. The sum was subsequently revised as $541 at the hour of the break, and is the second biggest crypto hack ever. For the unenlightened, the Ronin scaffold is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Boundlessness Commercial Center, and the Axe Marking Pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP profit from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin extension, we were at that point involving concentrated trades like Binance as a semi-scaffold to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP profit moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly famous technique, as a matter of fact, that most of Axie players actually utilize that methodology right up till now. So Sky Mavis is insignificant, putting out fires mode and working twofold opportunity to recapture and revamp trust in their convention. This ongoing situation surely didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth Love Elixir current cost. Smooth Love Elixir is as of now worth $0. SLP has moved 6.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,871,474. Smooth Love Elixir is right now positioned 169 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $107,250,158 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Smooth Love Elixir market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2022. Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0. 2024. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2025. Assuming Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2025. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2028. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2028. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Smooth Love Mixture will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SLP cost in 2030 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Mixture cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $107,250,158. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Elixir ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that SLP is a decent decision of venture. How high can Smooth Cherish Mixture go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Elixir might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Smooth Love Mixture might outperform 1 cent. What amount